Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative and it's very unique and trendy, extremely mesmerizing and very attractive, because in this video I am covering unique concepts, various concepts of hand embroidery in one simple collection. That is, today's video is totally based on 3D hand embroidery patterns, girls hand embroidery ideas, modern hand embroidery patterns, hairstyle hand embroidery designs. So these are the 4 different collection types that you are going to cover in this video. And my today's video is specially for beginners who are in search of some creative, trendy and very beautiful and self-praising design ideas which would give their hand art, their handwork, their thread painting a very new and extremely eye-catchy view. So the thread used for making these very beautiful 3D hairstyle hand embroidery patterns is Anchor GMC. Even you can also use wool for making these patterns. Different types of hairstyles have been shown to you, and buns, messy buns, braids, some flared, some curls, and different patterns. So it depends on to your choice that which design you are going to try. And allow me to leave. Meet you soon back in my new videos, but don't forget to like and subscribe.